Good morning, Pirates. This is PNN, the Pirate News Network, your weekly source of everything San Pedro High School. I'm Robert Leyva.
And I'm Ricky Medina, and here's your latest news.
It's Teacher Appreciation Week, and teachers do more than deliver lessons. They build futures. Every day, they inspire and help students see their own potential. Let's take a moment to thank the teachers who've helped us grow, even when we didn't realize we needed it.
Seniors, tickets for prom are $145 each until May 16th. After that, you can buy a last call ticket for $170 until May 23rd. No ticket will be sold after this date. Tickets are sold in the student stores on both campuses or at myschoolbucks.com. Also, remember to pick up your prom contract even if you got your ticket in your senior package. You must turn this in to attend the dance.
Seniors, you can buy extra tickets to graduation at myschoolbucks.com. Tickets are available until May 31st. Remember, every senior gets 3 free tickets.
Bravo, Pirate players. Congratulations on an extraordinary performance of Hadestown this past weekend. We will have more coverage next week.
LAUSD College Signing Day is on May 10th at the Coliseum. This event offers a chance to win prizes and features super fun activities. There will be a bus if transportation is needed. Please come to this very exciting, huge party to celebrate your achievements. Sign up on Schoology for the class of 2025 or see your counselor.
Mother's Day is Sunday, May 11th, and every year our very own pirate poet laureate, Mr. Bell, writes a Mother's Day poem, and this year it comes to us on video for the first time ever. Feel free to share it with the moms in your life.
Hey San Pedro family, this is Mr. Bell. And in honor of Mother's Day, I wanted to share a poem I've written with you. And if you want to, you can use this poem maybe as a gift for your mother or mother figure on this upcoming Mother's Day next weekend. It's called Mother's Day 2025. Mothers, you're treasured for the roads you paved. Mothers, you're respected for the history you've laid. Mothers, you're appreciated for the burdens you've weighed. Mothers, you're valued for the lives you saved. Mothers, you're adorned for the storms you braved. Mothers, you're honored for the memories you've made. Mothers, you're remembered for the love you gave. There aren't enough words that could ever express your tender touch and warm caress. There aren't enough thoughts that could ever detail your imprint on our hearts will forever prevail. Happy Mother's Day.
Thanks, Mr. Bell. That was beautiful. Earlier this month, families, students, and staff came together for our Olguin Open House. It was a great night full of energy, exploration, and pride as we showed off everything that makes our campus so special. Let's take a look at some of the highlights from Olguin.
Kenya Yola. Today I am here at the open house. Today we're helping the next future kids, generations that are interested in joining the automotive program. It's a 2-year program, juniors and seniors. I love the program. I learned a lot. I think it's a great opportunity for people to get ASE certifications to be employed in the real world with the automotive industry. That was last year's project. This year's project, we have a Soulbox Derby car. It's really cool. There's a lot of internships where you can get more knowledge and skill. They also do field trips, Grand Prix, Peterson Automobile Museums, and I've been here since junior year, and I think it's really cool.
Speaking of open house, we have a video from the amazing Mr. Hawkin's class when they displayed their work during open house. Check it out.
So we're here with Mr. Hawkins. This is my favorite teacher. He's very chill, very calm, very nice class. Always helping when we're needed. I want to ask, what's your favorite part of chemistry?
I like the logical aspect of it. It's very ordered. I like how students can see how they can apply algebra in chemistry. But yeah, overall, I'd say the logic, very logical.
So my name is Chloe.
My name's Dylan.
My name's Eduardo.
My name's Javier Sanchez.
My name's William.
And we made bioplastics out of gelatin, agar, and glycerol. 5. 4 is our boiling one. 5 and 6 is freshly poured. And now we have our bioplastic dried up.
Hi, my name is Zion Santiago, and today this is the first semester of AP Chemistry. We have here bonding, we have here atomic structure, thermochemistry, liquids, and solids.
Discipline, leadership, and service. Those are just a few of the core values behind our Army JROTC program here on campus. Reporter Emma Shappett sat down with Sergeant First Class Wooten to learn more about what the program offers students and how it's shaping our future leaders.
Hello, I'm here with
Sergeant First Class Wooten.
All right, Sergeant First Class Wooten. What can you say about yourself?
Well, I've served the Army as a military police officer for 24 years. And after I retired from the Army as a military police officer, I was going to be a cop. But then I changed my mind and decided to give back to my community and work in one of the local high schools to help grow our youth and help them get a little stronger and be better citizens.
What can you tell me about JROTC as a whole?
Oh, JROTC is such an awesome program. We teach, it's not a regular program, and also it is not a program that's going to get you to join the military. That's not what we're about. That's not what I do. If you want to join the military, you can talk to a recruiter. I'm going to help you be ready for outside the gate. I'm going to help you be ready to move forward in life. It's more of a life skills class. You'll really learn a lot about yourself. You'll dig in deep. I'm going to help you pull out that shyness to be able to do some public speaking. We do a lot of events. We just came back from Knoxbury Farm on Saturday, so we do stuff community-wise. We did a blanket drive this year, so we help provide blankets for the homeless because we believe in giving back to our community, as well as doing local stuff here on campus.
Kudos to Mr. Vasquez, Ms. Bonaventura, and Coach Lopez for an incredible evening of performances in the flagship gym. With 44 numbers, the show highlighted the talent and spirit of our dance students in an energetic, jam-packed night. Check it out.
Hi, this is Lanaja at Pirate News, and I'm here doing interviews for the Spring 2025 showcase. I'm here with
Charlotte Zavala.
And what are you dancing for?
Pirate Dancers.
As a senior, how do you feel about this being your last show?
I'm excited, but also sad about leaving.
Okay, and what are you most excited for this showcase?
Just to dance with my friends.
Okay, thank you. Okay, who am I here with?
Mr. Vasquez.
And what are you the coach for?
Pirate Dancers.
Okay, how are you feeling about this year's showcase?
I'm excited. This is the end of the year showcase, so I'm really excited to see my students' works.
Okay, and how do you feel about your students choreographing their own dances?
I feel amazing. I love giving them an opportunity to showcase their creativity. Also, I love to see the behind the scenes of them overcoming challenges and working together and sometimes not being able to work together. So it's cool. It's cool to see the process and then seeing the final outcome.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
And that's a wrap for this week's show. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at sanpedro_PNN. And we are going to end this week's broadcast with the amazing Human Pride flag that Pride Club, Lean Crew, and others gathered to create for Denim and Pride Day last week. Great job, everyone.
Oh, thank you.
Awesome.